What's the name of the chapter we are doing? Can you give the name of the chapter, Aparna?
Conic section.
Yes, conic sections. We are discussing about different sections of cone. Okay, different sections of cone. Okay, good. For the okay, morning, few of them were not there. And repeat. I just repeat it. Okay, so the cone it is generated by a fixed line and a rotating line. One fixed line is there and one rotator is there. When the line is going on rotating, you will be getting a cone. Okay. Then, so this is the fixed line, we call it as axis, and the rotating line, the line which is rotating, okay, we call it as generator. And the point which is common to this axis and generator, we call it as the vertex. And we will get two naps of the cone. Okay. So this is how we are getting double cone. Once we get the cone, we intersect the cone, okay, by a plane. We intersect the right circular cone by a plane, so we'll be getting different sections of a cone. We'll be getting different sections of a cone. So these are the four different sections. Which are the different sections? If you cut this parallel to the base, you will get a circle. By slightly tilting it, you will get an ellipse. If you cut one side, you will get a parabola. If the plane is cutting both the ends, you will get a hyperbola. Okay, so these are the four different sections we are going to learn: circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. And that we have started with circle. Okay, what is the standard form of equation of circle? Standard form of equation of circle. Equation of circle is the equation of the circle.
X minus h the whole square
Yes.
plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square.
R square. Okay, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Where the center is h comma k and the radius is r. If the radius is r and the center is h comma k, the equation of the circle is given by x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So in the morning session, center and radius is given. We frame the equation of the circle. Now, suppose the equation is given. Equation of the circle is given. How to find the center and radius? Okay, that's what we are going to do it now. Write the question. For the following equations, for the following equations of circle, for the following equations of the circle, find the center and radius. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius. For the following equations of circles, find the center and radius. And that first one, x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 72. X minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 72. So can you tell me what is the center here? What is the center? Compare it with the general form. The general form is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. If it is in this form, the center is h comma k and the radius is r. This is the center and this is the radius. So comparing this, can you tell me what is the center and what is the radius?
2, 3.
Center is 2, 3. Yes. Aishwarya, what is the radius?
Root of 72.
Root 72. Okay, 72 means we can write this as 72 the whole square. So it is root 72. So this one, is it possible to simplify and write? Root 72. You can write this as
6 root 2.
Root 2.
6 root 2. So it is same as 6 root 2. Radius is 6 root 2. The next one. Next one. X minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 25. What is the center? Give the center and give the radius. Give the center and radius. And it's, can you give the center? And it's Anthony.
Ma'am, 3 and 2.
3 and, is it 2? Check this.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. And radius is
5. 5.
5. Radius is 5. Third one. X square plus y square is equal to 1. X square plus y square is equal to 1. What is the center and what is the radius? What about the center and what is the radius here? Femina? X square plus y square is equal to 1. Femina, can you give the center and radius here?
Ma'am, 0, center.
The center is 0, 0, good. And what is the radius?
1.
Okay, so this circle we call it as unit circle. Okay, in the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 1. Radius is 1 means we call that circle as unit circle. Okay, next one. Next one. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is equal to 0. What is the center and what is the radius? Listen, children. Okay, copied this question. You all copied this one. What's the equation of the circle here? X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 is 0. We have to find the center and radius. Okay. So here it is, okay, here the equation is not in the general form. What is the general form we used to take? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. That's the general form. So we should transform this equation. We should write this equation in general form. Okay, so how we are going to do. Write the next one, children. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. Start doing and give the answer. Yes, Michael, what's the first step? Can you give the first step, Michael? Michael. Can you give the first step?
I'm not sure.
What's the first step we did? Take the previous question, how we did the previous one. What's the first step? Srihari? Srihari?
Bring coefficient to other side. No, constant term to other side.
Take the constant term to other side. Michael, listen to it. Next question you have to answer. Okay, so first step is you take constant term to other side. So, you will get x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y is equal to 12. Next step, Navrin.
X square minus 8x plus y square plus 10y equal to 12.
Yes, first we have to check whether the coefficient of x square and y square is it 1. If it is 1, next step you rearrange. So, x square minus 8x plus y square plus 10y equal to 12. Then, Gayatri, what is the next step?
Add the half of x coefficient.
Add half the coefficient of x, the whole square on both the sides. So, x square minus 8x. Michael, now what is the coefficient of x here? What is the coefficient of x?
8,
So, half of it means
4.
4. So, plus 4 square. Okay, you add it on both the sides. Similarly, take the y term. Y square plus 10y. So, what is the coefficient of y?
5.
5. So, we have to add 5 square, half the coefficient of y on both the sides. So, the first 3, if you take the first 3 terms, we can write this as, the first 3 terms we can write this as x minus 4 the whole square. The next 3 terms we can write this as y is equal to here. And simplifying, what you will get?
53.
Can you repeat?
53.
53. What's the radius here? Center, and what's the radius? So, center is
4 and minus
4 and minus 5.
minus 5. And what is the radius? Radius is Radius is 53 means we can write this as
root 53.
root 53 whole square. So it is root 53. Radius is root 53. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now Michael, give the steps now. Give me the steps. What's the first step?
Take the constant term to the right side. Arrange the x square and y square. Then take half of the coefficient of x and add it on both sides.
Half the coefficient of x, the square, or add on.
Square. On both sides. Then simplify it.
Can use the identity a minus whole square, a plus b the whole square. Okay. Write the next one. Next question. Does the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5, next one, does the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5, does the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lie inside, outside, or on the circle? Lie inside, outside, or on the circle x square plus y squared is equal to 25. Does it lie inside, outside, or on the circle? So how to do this? Does this point lie inside or outside? An equation of the circle is given as x square plus y square is equal to 25. So what is the center and what is the radius of the circle here? So what is the center here? X square plus y square is 25 means center is
0, 0,
and the radius is 5. Is
5.
it? So center is 0, 0 and the radius is 5. We have to check whether this point lies inside, or outside, or on the circle. How to check this one? How to do this? Morning we discussed one question in this model, isn't it? You first name this point as A. Okay. Suppose center is O and you take this point A. Given the point A is minus 2.5 comma 3.5. So find the distance OA. You find the distance OA using distance formula and check whether it is less than 5 or is it greater than 5 or is it equal to 5. Check it. You find the distance OA using the distance formula and check whether is it lying outside or inside or on the circle. So what is the distance OA? Use the distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So if you apply the distance formula, minus 2.5 minus 0, so it is same as 2.5 the whole square plus 3.5 the whole square. So what is it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
is it root 18.5?
root 18.5. What is 2.5 the whole square? What is 2.5 the whole square?
6.25.
6.25. Okay. Then what about 3.5 the whole square?
12.25.
Yes, 12.25. So when you add this root of 18.5. So it is root of 18.5. Approximate value is enough, children.
4 point something.
You will get some, okay, 4 point something, isn't it? That is approximate value. And check with this
It's
rate
less than 5.
less than 5. Okay, it is 4 point something, so it is less than 5. Therefore, what we can conclude? That point will
Inside.
inside the circle. The point lies inside the circle. Is it okay? Is it clear?